What we have here what's called a Quantum Edge 3. This is the latest in technology from Pride Mobility. This is a Quantum Edge 3. It has electric tilt, electric recline, and electric feet. No seat lift. So tilt, recline, and feet. This chair has roughly 2 miles, folks. So it's literally brand new. It has 2 miles. As you can see, the color's purple. So if you want to make the seat tilt, recline, or the legs go out, you have to do it through the joystick on this chair. So you would go to the button on the left side where you turn it on. Keep pushing that button forward until you see a picture of your seat in the screen. So I'm going to keep pushing it forward. And now I have a picture of the seat. So the first thing I want to show you is called the tilt. So if you want the tilt, you want the bottom cushion and the back cushion to be yellow. If they're not both yellow, just move your joystick sideways. It'll change the colors on the seat. So right now it's already yellow bottom, yellow back. And if I push this back, you'll see the bottom start to go back. This is called electric tilt. Of course, when it goes back, it's going to take the legs, it's going to take the back as they're all connected. This has a lot of good medical benefit. If you want to take pressure off your bottom, pressure off your back, you just want to relax, or you want to have circulations in your legs. So this is as far as it will go. So I'm going to move this to yellow on the feet. And now I'm going to move this down. And remember, folks, these chairs can be adjusted. They have a 300-pound weight capability. So it doesn't matter if you're 5 feet tall, 6'2", 300 pound, 100 pound. We can adjust the seats, the length of the feet. We can adjust all this right here. We can change the cushions right here, folks. So now, of course, this would give you really good circulation, but that's a little extreme. So if I go down halfway, you'll see if I go down halfway, your feet right about here would still be higher than your back, than your body, okay? So that's the electric feet, and this is the electric tilt going back down. And the third function is called the electric recline. So the electric recline is when the back goes back by itself. Nothing's moving, but the back is going back. Okay, so you can see the back moving down. This is called recline, okay? So we'll see how far this is going to go down. So it's pretty much flat, okay? That's your electric recline. So if you're laying in the chair, that's what it looks like. As you can see, the arms do fold up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the legs down and the back up at the same time. You can do the legs yellow and the back yellow and push the joystick forward, and you can have both of them come down and up at the same time. Okay, so now we're going to put it back in drive. Also, I want to show you the base on this chair, okay? So this is a mid-wheel drive, so that means your drive wheel is going to be in the middle of the chair roughly, okay? When you have a mid-wheel drive, you're always going to have a wheel on the ground in front and a wheel on the ground in the back, because that keeps it from pivoting, okay? And that's how you get this really good turn. And when you turn a circle, the wheels will pivot this way when you turn to keep the chair in the same spot all day long. These are 14-inch solid tires. They're not going to mark your floor. Same as the front and back caster wheels. You have anchor points all around the chair. You have 4 of these. This is where you secure your chair if you're going to transport it. You have a motor for each wheel. If you've noticed, this motor is connected directly to the wheel. There's no chain, no belt. It's all direct drive. If I want to push this chair, you can see the chair probably weighs about 350 pounds. So it's too heavy to lift, and it's in gear. But if you turn the power off and you push this lever, and the reason you want the power off, you want no resistance in the motor. Power is off, push the lever down, and look at that. It's that easy. There's a motor on both sides. You have to do both motors, okay? When you're done, put it back in gear, turn your power back on, okay? Now I want to show how this chair turns in its own length. So if I bring it over here and I stand here and I push a little faster, you'll see how the chair turns its own length. Look at that. See the wheels, how they line up when you turn? That's what a mid-wheel drive chair does for you. It has a better turning radius, okay? This chair also has what's called a swing away joystick. So I took the joystick from here to here. This enables you to get a lot closer to a dining table without damaging your joystick. The arms flip up, so if you transfer from the side, they flip up. You have a drink cup holder on this side. If you're left-handed, we can put the joystick on the left side with no problem. I want to show you the suspension too. If you look at this big shock in front, that's for this fork. You have another big shock right here for that fork. And you have the same suspension in the back. This suspension here is for these two forks. These are independent. If I raise this one, watch, the other one stays on the ground, okay? You have a fully adjustable headrest. You can see all the adjustments here, so it can be adjusted in any position you want. The back cushion on this chair is a memory foam cushion. The seat on here is 20 by 20 right now, but as I said, it doesn't really matter. We can change the seat size. Right now it's 20 by 20, and the back is a memory foam, which is super comfortable. You also have with this chair, you have lights on the fenders, and the light switch is right here. So if you see this, I'm going to tap it, and you can see on the front of the chair you have headlights, and you have tail lights here on the fenders. So you have headlights and tail lights. So if you're going down the hallway at nighttime, it'll light up your whole hallway. And we're going to turn the lights off. And when you charge the batteries in this chair, you take your charger and you plug it right here, right below the joystick, right there. And as soon as the batteries are full, the charger will stop charging. Or when the light goes from orange to green, the charger will stop charging. So let's recap what we have here. This is a Quantum Edge 3 power chair, 6 wheels on the ground at all times, so it gives you the best turning radius. It has 2 miles. It has electric tilt, electric recline, electric feet, 3 electrical function. It does have the swing away joystick, the drain cup holder, the adjustable headrest, the memory back, the anchor point, the solid tire, the suspension. It also has a safety belt, which I didn't even mention earlier. There is a safety belt on here. So if you're looking for a really nice power chair with only 2 miles and you need tilt, recline, and legs, here's another nice one. This is the Quantum Edge 3, purple in color with 2 miles. Top speed I'm looking at here is about 6.2 miles an hour. When you let go, it stops automatically. It has built-in brakes in the motor, so let me show you again. As soon as you stop, you can see it has built-in brake, which is nice. There's about 4 speed on this chair, but if you want to use the joystick like a gas pedal, if I push it just a little bit, I'm barely moving, see that? Or I can go forward like a gas pedal. You can tell the difference between these types of chair and other chair. When you turn and you go slow down, you can feel the suspension. It's almost like an air ride. This chair has no problem in the grass. As long as your grass has, if you're from up north, you should have no problem in your yard, because up north your yards are hard and you have grass, that's fine. In Florida we have sandy, mushy, spongy grass. Some yards they do not do well. But any type of yard where you have a hard bottom, you'll have no problem at all. So this one has electric tilt, electric recline, electric leg. It has the swing away joystick, the drain cup holder, the solid tire, the headlights, the anchor points, the suspension we talked about with 2 miles. If you need tilt, recline, and legs, here's another nice one. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.